Hello YouTube, this is Syra. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to solve the red X on your Dell Latitude laptops. And for this case, I'm going to first come here and see what's the problem with this. You click on it, you come here on troubleshooting to see what's the problem, and it's detecting the problem as you can see. You give it some few seconds and see to detect what's the problem. As you can see, it's looking for the problems in this adapter connecting. As you can see, it's showing that it has some problems. Let me try to fix the problem and see whether it can be. As you can see, it's showing that a network cable is not properly plugged in and it's not fixed. And for the case of this, I will come to my PC. I right click and come to manager. As you can see, you give it some few seconds to load, and you come here on the device manager. You double click on it, it loads. You come here down to see on the network operators and check and see what's the problem. As you can see, it's showing no wireless network around this Dell laptop. And for the case of this, I'm going to close all this and come here down. I shut down my laptop. As you can see, I'm going to shut down my laptop. I come here, I shut it down in order to see. So I'm shutting it down to go in the BIOS system and check what's the problem with this Dell laptop. As you can see, it's now switching off. As it switch off, you switch it on again. You rapidly press F2. As you can see, it goes in the BIOS system. In the BIOS system, you can come down here and see the wireless networks. You come on the wireless device, you enable it. You enable even this one. So you come on the network switch also. You have to enable it as you have done on the wireless devices. So after, you come here down, you apply and exit in order to save changes. As you can see, it's now restarting. It's a Dell laptop E6400 series. As it's loading, I want to see whether the problem has been clearly solved. As it loads and you give it some time, as you can see down here, it's now showing that the red X is no longer there, meaning that the problem has been solved. So I check and see around, as you can see that the wireless network is now detected and the red X is no longer on my Dell laptop. As you can see, I have Dave, Chris, networks around me. So that's good. It shows that the problem has been solved. You come here on the PC, you right click and see, you come on the manager as you did in the previous steps. As it loads and you see, you come here on the device manager to check and see whether the Dell wireless networks have been detected. As you can see, you right click, and as you can see, it's now Dell wireless 1510 wireless. It's been detected. Thanks for watching. This video has been helpful. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel. My name's of Syra. Comment, like, and subscribe, and you click on the bell icon in order to get notified if I upload these videos like this. Thank you.